Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old goodbye. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over.
So I am back after putting on my lashes. I am wearing the style Samantha from Huda Beauty. What are my thoughts on the Naked Cherry palette? Buy it or skip it? Honestly, I have always been a fan of the formula and the pigment and the finish. So I would definitely recommend this palette for somebody who is into the pinkier shades. 12 shades for 65 francs, which gives you amazing payout, amazing pigments. This is really good range of colors that can be used to do so many different looks. And it comes with a beautiful brush, and honestly I did not have to use my own brushes so much to do this look. It was one brush that did the job. So this is a pretty put together, self-sufficient palette. So I would definitely recommend this. It is coming to stores on the 23rd of October in Switzerland, so I hope you go out and get your palette. This is a beautiful collection, and what also makes it special is because this is a naked palette coming out after a really long time. A full naked palette coming out after a really long time. Also, while you're at it, if you don't have the original naked and you like some of the colors that are on it, you must get yourself that one too, because after the launch of this palette, that one is being discontinued. So those are my 2 cents on the new Naked Cherry Palette by Urban Decay. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit subscribe, and yeah, until next time, ciao!